4-door, 2-owner, clean Carfax report. Aluminum wheels, really cute and green. Clean body, very few dents or scratches on it. 64,000 miles. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Clean cloth interior. You got steering wheel stereo controls, hands-free Bluetooth, cruise control. You got the touchscreen system, heat and air conditioning, USB and auxiliary input for MP3, automatic transmission. Nice big area back here, and those seats do fold down flat. Now you can see pictures and pricing information on our website, hometownwausau.com. We offer easy no money down financing options, great interest rates. Feel free to give us a call at 715-675-1000. We're open till 6 o'clock all week until 2 o'clock on Saturday. Thanks for watching.